Hello and welcome once again to another video in this channel. So in today's video we are going to go through the first question 21 of the WAEC 2025 objective mathematics question. So we have here that given that 2 1 in base 5 is equal to 1 4 in base x, find the value of x. Option A is 4, option B is 5, option C is 6, option D is 7. Okay, so we are going to go through getting the solution out of all of these options here right now. So what we're going to do right now is to express these two numbers in a common base, and which in this case is in base 10. Okay, so to convert a number in base 10 is multiplying that particular numbers by their bases and then by the index. So we're going to have that 2 1 in base 5 is going to be equal to 2 times 5 plus 1 times 5. This first one takes a 0 and then we go here as 1. So 2 times 5 raised to power 1. 5 raised to power 1 is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. And 5 raised to power 0 is 1. So we have that this is equal to 2 times 5 plus 1 times 1. 2 times 5 is 10. This is actually 1 times 1 is equal to 11. Similarly, here we have 1 4 in base x. So that's going to be equal to 1 times x plus 4 times x. This is x to the power 0, this is x to the power 1, right? And then 1 times x to the power 1 is 2x, x to the power 0 is 1. We're going to have this to be equal to 1 times x plus 4 times 1. 1 times x is x, 4 times 1 is 4. We're going to have this to be equal to x plus 4. So if these are the same, we're going to have that these two numbers are also going to be the same. We're going to have that 11 is going to be equal to x plus 4. If I take this 4 to the left hand side, I'm going to have that 11 minus 4 is equal to x, or x is equal to 11 minus 4, which is equal to 7. So the answer here is 7. Okay, so based on what we have solved in this particular question, this is actually a question for you to solve right now. So it says, given that 2 1 in base 4 is equal to 1 3 in base x, find the value of x. And A is 4, B is 5, C is 6, and D is 7. So solve this particular question and post your answers or solution method in the comment section, right? If you like this video, help me by subscribing to this channel. Also share this video with your colleagues or peers so that they can also learn from this video. Without much further ado, I'll leave you to it that math is easy. Have a nice day.